In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your location on Gmail. This is a handy skill to know, especially if you're looking to maintain a bit more privacy in your digital correspondence. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to ensure your location isn't being shared unintentionally through your emails. To begin, you'll first want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the settings icon, which can be found in the upper right corner of your inbox. It resembles a small gear. Clicking it will bring up a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your Gmail account. Next, once you're in the settings, look for the tab labeled General. This is typically the first tab listed, and it holds a lot of the basic preferences for your Gmail. Scroll down through the options listed under General until you find the section titled Signature. Your email signature can sometimes include location-based information, so it's essential to check if there's any information you don't wish to share. If you find location details entered here, go ahead and remove them. After adjusting the signature, another key area you'll want to check is any labs features that might be revealing your location without you realizing it. To do this, navigate to the tab labeled Advanced. Labs are experimental features, and occasionally, they might interfere with your privacy settings. Be sure to review them and disable any that seem to be revealing your location unnecessarily. Beyond settings in Gmail, consider your connected apps and devices. Oftentimes, third-party apps connected to your account might share more data than you'd like. You can review and revoke access to these apps through Google's account settings. Head over to myaccount.google.com, click on Security, and then scroll to find third-party apps with account access. Here, you can review which apps have access and make more informed decisions about what you want connected. Last but not least, remember to clear your browser's cache and cookies frequently. Your browser can store location data that might inadvertently be shared in its cache. Regular maintenance like clearing your cache can help minimize this risk. All right, that's how you can hide your location on Gmail. I hope you found this information helpful and it empowers you to take control of your digital privacy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.